folks, it's Tuesday morning. We're down here at Delacroix. Got Big Don and Big John over there. And we can go out and give it a try at the Bay Flat Senior. A lot more wind than I thought. It's about 10 to 12 right now. Tough wind. Alright folks, this is Big John back here. We got Big Don up front. We're all set up. We're heading out. Of course the GPS don't work. I keep forgetting to bring the socket set to try to fix it, but after it bounces around a while it'll come on, hopefully. If not, we'll have to use the old GPS in my head. I got more faith in that anyway.
Me too.
Had the moon up there, folks. We're trying to figure out what the name of that moon is.
Third stage moon.
Third stage moon, something like that.
Yeah.
I call it the 3/4 moon. Top of the morning to you. Time to get up. Wake up. Wake up. Woo, pretty. Pretty. Out here at Delacroix, we're in a little lake. We're heading south some kind of way. I'm lost from Paris. Hey folks, Barman got one. Barman got one. Oh yeah, nice one, Papa. Oh, get him in the boat. Get him in the boat. Oh, whoa. Hey folks, Barman got another one up there. John, step back a little bit so I can get the picture coming in. Alright folks, Big John's got one. I don't know what he's waiting for. Hey, yeah, a nice trout, man. That's a nice one, John. Get him in, get him in, whip him in, whip him in, whip him in. Whoa! Boom. So I get the picture, but it's all I'm looking for is the picture.
Trying to figure out how to get out of your way.
Hey, the water here at Delacroix is beautiful. It's got that dog clean look to it. That's what I like. That's how it used to be all the time. Never a problem. Beautiful. Folks, John snagged the one doing the Oak River Troll.
Nah.
Wow.
Nah, don't be getting that cat around here, man. I thought I saw greens with a bass. Y'all catch very many bass right here?
Trout, baby, trout. Get him, John, get him. John, get him in the boat, baby. There you go. As you can see, folks, it's kind of windy here. Got a good tide line over here, though. That's a perfect tide line to fish right there. So we're moving here. We're doing the Oak River Troll, and we're going 7 days. We're just going to have to wait them out. Oh, my man got a trout up there, I think. I hope. It's fighting like, oh, got off. Hey, folks, we're in Little Lake. I had to batten down the hatches. Move my bowman back here. It's kind of rough. Had to tie the other stuff up. But right, folks, who made our way back in. That big Lafitte you see in front of me, I came behind him in Little Lake. I stayed tight on his butt. As smooth as a baby's butt. We're back in the main bayou now, heading in. 7 trout, 1 drum, 1 croaker. That's it. Alright folks, that's Big Tom, him and his crew going out. Gave him the info, told him 14, 15, and 6 ought to do good. Tide's been pouring in all day. It should change sometime.